The Cuisinart single cup grind and brew is the freshest flavor, 1 cup at a time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Measure the water, put in the fresh beans, and press grind and brew. Let me show you how easy it is. Simply remove the grinder cap, and with the scoop provided, I'm going to start off with 3 scoops. The great thing is you can make the coffee as strong as you like. Cap back on. And then the easiest way to ensure the right amount is to fill the cup that you're going to use with water and then simply pour it into the reservoir. Close it up, cup in, and press, grind and brew. What's happening is the grinder is grinding up the beans, and in just a moment it'll be flushed down with hot water and you'll see coffee, fresh coffee, coming out in no time. Now you can hear that brewing begin. With so many different beans, flavors, and roasting styles, and everybody in the house with different flavor preferences, the great thing is you can make a custom cup of freshly ground coffee and everybody gets exactly what they like. One-touch operation and up to 16 ounces at a time. And that incredible coffee aroma, it just picks you up immediately. I love the machine because, like everything else at Cuisinart Designs, the engineering is so simple. We've got a drip tray here that pops out that's really easy to clean, also dishwasher safe. And inside the grind house, where all the action is taking place, it pops right out. And you can see inside you've got it, it's clean. The only thing that's really hot here are those blades. So this is safe to pull out, to give a quick rinse, or to put into the dishwasher. Now, for those of you who have pre-ground coffee, or you have something that a flavor you just love, this can do that as well. Simply pull this tray out, and this is where conventional coffee baskets come into play. So what's great is this is where all your grinds are. So that just simply gets tossed out. But if you do have pre-ground coffee, this is where you can put 1 or 2 scoops per cup and then simply go through the process again. It's important to press the grind off button, which will make sure that you don't have any grinding action, only percolating action. Another one of my favorite features is the charcoal water filter. Easy to replace, easy to put in and take out. It keeps the flavor of the water by removing some of the chlorine and purifying it slightly. It's really critical to have good, fresh, if you can, a purified water when making coffee, and it won't change the flavor. Let's make another cup. I'm going to put the grinder back in place and it just simply slips in. Remove the top and have a look at this. Normally I would put this in the garbage, but I want you to see the consistency of the grind. It's a beautiful grind. The lid back on that filter box and slip that in. And then I'm going to put my drip tray back in. And I'm going to make a cup to go. So it's going to be a bit more volume. I'm going to put 4 scoops in. Again, using the cup to measure the amount of water that's going to come out makes it really simple. No measuring involved. Let's face it, early in the morning, we need a no thought process coffee. Pour it in, put it into place. You see it takes a really nice large cup. Place the grinding lid on top, close it, and with one touch, grind and brew.